PJ for a Cause is teaming up with our dealer network of more than 300 dealers across the United States to give back to the local communities that they serve. Cycorp Trailers does a great job supporting this local community.
My involvement with Eagle Mount, which we're here today for, is started in '88 with the ski program. Eagle Mount is an adaptive outdoor program. You know, we've taken kids on respirators and oxygen and bi-skis, and I mean, it's just crazy what Eagle Mount will do.
Eagle Mount Billings is an incredible treasure that our community makes possible for those living with disabilities. We're here to serve individuals with ages of 3 to there is no limit. And Eagle Mount is here to help them through adaptive recreation enjoy a life without limits.
Hello guys.
Hi you guys. How are ya?
Man, how are you? I wanted to thank you guys for coming down here. I just want to share with you how important Eagle Mount's been to our family at Cycorp.
Hello guys.
And what you've done for the community, and we just want to be able to do a little more for you. And an opportunity came up. What we did is we got something for you. Take a look at her here.
What is it? Oh my gosh! You guys, what is it?
What do you think, guys?
Oh, gorgeous!
The reason we went with this trailer is with the adaptive carts, we felt the monster ramps would have allowed them to drive off, as well as with the wider deck we could fit more. Well, and then that brings up something else. Come on out, guys.
What? Oh my god!
A little bit to help you guys out.
Look at this!
This is on behalf of the PJ for a Cause. We're going to give you $10,000 as well as a trailer.
With a gift of this size, we're able to meet some immediate needs that we have, like scholarships for those who have a difficult time paying for our programs. But we're also able to step back and do an assessment of what types of equipment could we use that we haven't been able to afford, and this gift will allow us to meet a specific unmet need. PJ for a Cause, to me, is such a shining example of a corporate leader who is choosing to give back to benefit others. And it definitely underscores that you can do well and you can do good, and the two are not mutually exclusive.
Eagle Mount's an easy sell. That's the way I always tell people. Once you get involved in it, you never want to leave it. And any opportunity we get to help Eagle Mount, we'll definitely go out of our way to take care of them. It's a good group of people.